Another daily day in the life of an entrepreneur day trader. I'm only 22 years old.
I like the way the 15-minute candle closed. If I could just get a retracement.
Give value when it comes to content, give value when it comes to VIP, and try to make money when it comes to trading.
TP1.
There we go, we moving. The one thing with daylight savings, I've been waking up naturally an hour earlier.
This is what we do it for. We do it for the freedom. I don't want to be working all day long every day.
So far, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. We already got done the gym workout.
Bro, the whole point of making money is to spend money. That's literally the whole point. We make money so that we can spend the money.
All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome. That shit over there is mad loud, but I'm about to be active with VIP. I just got one of the videos from yesterday uploaded. Let me close that back door over here. But we about to have a good day. We back for the week. We had a great weekend. We got ready for the weekend. We got ready for the week. And now we're about to take advantage of the charts, take advantage of the week, give value when it comes to content, give value when it comes to VIP, and try to make money when it comes to trading. So we're going to hop on the charts. We're going to get straight to it. Let's hop on the charts. So it looks like we had like a false break. We didn't run the Asian session low, but I seen this move a couple times. I forget what day last week this happened, but it didn't run the Asian low, just came, ran that low, and it's happening at 9:30. So which makes me believe there could be a possible push. If it does drop though, I don't really have much else besides the Asia low and the previous day's low. But it looks like we had a reaction already. What time is it? 9:30. We'll see. We'll see if it just takes off, but I'll be willing to take it if we can retrace a little lower, maybe fill that gap fully. We might have missed a little move, might have. Because right there, that probably would have been TP1 already. And yeah, it dropped lower than I thought it would, but we'll see. I mean, it could still go bullish, but the area I wanted to see it hold isn't holding right now, so I'm gonna wait.
I like the way the 15-minute candle closed. If I could just get a retracement right back to that 1 hour gap in the 4 hour, not the 1 hour, the 15-minute in the 4 hour, I think we got a nice little short. Target that low. Go up to that 4 hour gap. Give me that 4 hour. All right, now you want to be slow, motherfucker. How big of a difference that is? 9 points? I'll wait. I'll give it a second. There we go. We about to get that 4 hour gap. Woo. There we go. 4 hour gap just got hit, and that's where I'm going to take this out. This is going to be my first trade idea. First trade of the week. It's a little risky, but I'm only risking 500. We shall see. Only time will tell. I'm up a cool 200 bucks. TP1. So I got in at the 15-minute and the 4 hour gap, expecting price to keep going lower to this previous day's low down here. So if I go down to up to the 4 hour time frame, I got in at this gap when we retraced into it right in here. And I'm expecting price to keep going lower. It doesn't look like much on the higher time frame, but I've seen it on the 15-minute right in here. So the 15-minute gap aligned with that also, with the 4 hour. And then I just took it going into 9:30.
I need TP2, nothing less, nothing more. Just TP2. There we go, we moving. Another day caught in 4K. I don't want it to go back to break even, but hey, gotta manage risk. I'd rather get stop break even than stop loss. Yeah, it might be a little break even. I'm up only 160 bucks now. That shit about break me even.
Yeah, camera died, but let's see. Get 500. Worst case scenario, I can only lose $500 for the day, which is a minor L. Minor L.
Oh yeah, we in drawdown. We down 350 out of 500.
It might be an L for the day.
There we go. We about to hit stop loss. RIP. This is about to be my day. Hit it. There we go. RIP. It needs to drop. Come on, I'm only up 20 bucks. I feel it. If I wasn't down to trade, I could have possibly took a TP1 just cause maybe, but nah. I got losses to recoup, so I gotta wait for my 1 to 2. You win some, you lose some, you miss some. It's just part of the game. There we go, TP1 again, another TP1. All right, so that's 2 break-even trades for the day. So now let's see if this one hits fucking TP2, man, for the day. It'll be a small L for the day if it stops me at break-even. At least it was a break-even trade. One L, 2 break-evens. There we go. There we go, finally. Stop that break-even. 2 break-evens for the day, 1 loss. It is what it is. All right, so we just got done the call with VIP and everything. So for the day, I had 3 total trades. I had 2 break-even trades and I had 1 L. All 3 were the same exact trade idea. 1 was a L and 2 of them were break-even. After I got TP1 hit on both trades, they just immediately came back up. I got close to TP2,
but TP2 never got hit, and that was the minimum I was looking for. So you win some, you lose some. I'm about to get the rest of my day started. Today we're going to be going to Orlando. My girlfriend doesn't have work, so we're going to have an adventurous day, but we do got to get to driving. I'm already ready and everything, because the one thing with daylight savings, I've been waking up naturally an hour earlier. So instead of waking up at 7, I've been naturally waking up at 6. So I woke up this morning, got the video uploaded, and now we're about to go on with this. VIP's done. We didn't make money trading, but guess what? We managed risk. We made over $5,000 last week trading. We're only down $500. That's only 10%. We still got the rest of the week and the elections, so I'm not worried about it. Let's get the rest of the day started. Got the daily motivation, got the C8, got a little 911 Porsche, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 911 Carrera S, McLaren 570S. Then we have over here my car, if I can make it over to it. You got another little Mercedes right there, 2 little Mercedes, and then 3 little Mercedes. But I'm about to drive downstairs to my girlfriend's getting Starbucks, and then we heading down to Orlando. Well, up to Orlando. We're mainly gonna be going to the outlets over there. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna be getting, but it's early, it's not even 12 o'clock yet, it's 11:30. So we got all day ahead of us. Let's enjoy the day. This is what we do it for. We do it for the freedom. I don't wanna be working all day long every day. I love working, I love creating content, I love trading, but I actually wanna enjoy my life sometimes. I'll enjoy it one day out of the week. I went and did a little something yesterday, but even then I had the VIP session. It was the weekend, the market was closed. But we got the work done so far. Now we're about to take this drive and enjoy the fruits of our labor and then get back to work. Right now, let me turn this music off. Right now, just got down out the outlets and everything. I'm about to head back to, not even head back, I'm about to go head to World of Food Trucks. If anybody in Orlando knows World of Food Trucks, I always get food when we're over here. But I'm thinking I might go to Miami tonight. I'm thinking I might go to Miami and be able to stay there all through tomorrow, all through the elections, and then just come back Wednesday because my girlfriend has work. So probably just slide back either really late tomorrow night or really early Wednesday. But nonetheless, I'm thinking we'll do that because tomorrow we may not get good trades. We may get trades, we may not. But we were just at the mall. My girlfriend got another bag, and I got a little something back there too. Got a new little laptop holder, bag, case, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I don't know. For the most part, today was a cool day. I managed risk. I came out and I did what I did. But besides me thinking about going to Miami, it's a pretty smooth day. It's just the start of the week. I want you guys to all understand. You don't want to start the week pushing and pushing and pushing. Keep it slow, bro. I'm in profit from last week. I lost only $500 today. That is nothing. Nothing. Manage risk. Keep it slow. Don't go in full risk, full margin. No, slowly work your way up. And then towards the end of the week, when we're actually getting more price action, we have more information to go off of, we have more data to go off of, we can have a higher % chance of actually catching a high probability trade. Trading is all about high probability. The main thing that's going to make you a successful trader is taking high probability setups. How do you know what your high probability setups are? Back testing, forward testing, and getting the data from journaling. And then it's just a day-by-day journey, learning from the experience, learning from the losses, learning from the W's, and striving to improve 1% a day. I don't trade any different on the days that I win versus the days that I don't win. And I show you guys that every single day. But yeah, somebody commented there was like a stop with the materialistic, stay focused. Bro, the whole point of making money is to spend money. That's literally the whole point. We make money so that we can spend the money. If I was doing all this to make all this money and then not spending the money, I guess, yeah, it would still make me feel good, but the whole point is the money is meant to be spent. Money's not meant to just be held here. If I have $100,000 in my hand, it's not doing shit in my hand. I just have $100,000, but if I use that, I can get a car. I can invest into a property. I can invest into a trading account. Any one of those things.
You're so excited. You're so excited.
Now I'm about to show y'all what I ended up getting. We got a few different things. I'll show the first thing. I just got got a new cologne. Got a Saint Laurent. Busky out there. Got a new Saint Laurent cologne. It came with a little spray also. I'm gonna use this as a cologne box. Just don't move, just keep it wherever it is. Just move the camera base off of that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this as a cologne box, but this is the new pickup. That's going in there. I have a couple other colognes that I had from in the car that I'm gonna put inside this box also, along with all the other ones that I have over there. But that's everything. We got those cologne from Sephora. She got a bag, it's like a small bag, but then it opens into a big one. It's like a good travel bag. You can get wet and everything. It's easily foldable. A lot of stuff can go in it. It's black. Yeah, it's a cool little bag. This is hers. So here you can have that right here. Longchamp. And then we got the big bulb. We got my new bag. We got the new bag right here. Cool little MCM messenger bag. This is gonna be, yo, what's up, boy? This is mainly like for my laptop. And this is gonna be right here if we're gonna see if the laptop fits. Moment of truth, stay right here. If the laptop don't fit, that's tough. That'd be real tough. We about to find out.
Why my face?
All right, let's see. That looks good. They did say it would fit snugly. We about to find out how snug this is gonna fit. Got the wrap around for the bag. Bubble wrap. Oh, I got a little. Certification card. At least I know it's real. Some more stuff going on. But now, we see. Will the laptop fit? I have very high hopes, if I'm being honest. Oh, this closes. Oh. I'm finding a whole bunch of different things. Okay, we're getting sidetracked. Moment of truth. That fits too good. They made this for me. And look, you also got the John in the back, so I can keep the strap right there. Oh yeah, it's a little longer. I'm gonna have it a little bit higher up, but got the new bag. I can have all my little stuff in here. I don't have it like these. Cool little Johnny John. I can make these work together, like as a travel together. It's close enough.
No, it is. It's like so necklace.
All right, I think we got a good length right there. Got my laptop in there. I can just pull it out like these. I'm like, huh, what's in here?
Oh my god, this freaking keypad.
Yeah, it's been there the whole time. So that's the haul when it came to what we've gotten. It was success for the most part. She got some stuff over here too. She got some clothes.
So cute.
But yeah, besides that, it was a pretty successful trip. You see this? You're gonna be seeing a lot of this bag. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was about to go to the lounge right above the gym because the gym is 2 stories and there's like a lounge above it where I could sit down and work on the office. It's nice and early right now, it's like 7:30. I woke up, showered, got my bag, got my laptop. I was about to edit the video for the day. I went to go unlock it, it didn't work. So I went to the stairs, I'm like, okay, since it's just a floor above, I'm gonna just go down to the 10th floor since the lounge was on the 11th. Then I walked back up to get out, to leave from the 11th floor that I came. And that's just locked too. So now I gotta walk down probably 10 stories of stairs with my bag with this fit on. And that's the 9th floor. Thank God. I know that car. I'm not going to you right now though. I'm trying to get back to the location. All right now I'm on like this low, it's not the balcony, but it's like a terrace. It's like the opposite of the pool. Let me get a better angle. This camera angle kind of cooking me. But yeah, I'm just chilling on top of here. I was originally gonna come up here and edit the vlog that you guys are literally watching right now, but it looks like it was raining and it looks like it's about to continue raining. So everything's all wet. So honestly, I'm not gonna stay out here. Just walked out here real quick just to see, enjoy the view. It's still early, it's only 8 o'clock. So far, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. We already got done the gym workout, and we about to get to editing this video. So we have approximately an hour and a half until we got to trade. And then I have 2 hours until I got to get a haircut. And we have 2 hours until the elections where we get the actual result, I'm pretty sure. So today's gonna be an adventurous day. It's gonna be there's gonna be money to be made. It's gonna be value to be given. Let's just get straight to it. I like cooked my back. I don't know what I did, but that shit hurts, but I'm trying to get in the crib. Right now, just finished editing majority of the video. So far, you guys are watching this video. I'm not sure how long the whole video is because it's 8:45 right now. I'm gonna have this video uploading before I get on VIP, so before 9:30, which is in the next less than an hour. Right now the vlog's 14 minutes. I'm not sure how long this last clip's gonna be. I'm not sure how long the beginning clip and the beginning of the video is gonna be, but this is just another daily video, another daily dose of game, another daily day in the life of an entrepreneur day trader. I'm only 22 years old, and some people may look at my life like I want to be in your position. I want to have the life like you do. No, I want you to have better, because anything I could do, you could do better. Trust me. But it's been a good day. Good 2 days. This vlog's kind of mismatched, but I'm testing the upload times. I don't know if me posting in the morning gets more views, because yesterday I posted a video in the morning. It was a 1 out of 10. Crazy amount of views. A lot of people watched it, so I'm gonna test it out again, see if I post it in the morning, if you guys like it better. But let me know in the comments, do you like it when I post at night or during the morning? As of right now, I like posting at night because that's what I'm used to, but a lot of people seem to be watching it during the morning also, so just let me know. I'm just testing things out. Maybe I learned that posting in the afternoon is the best thing ever. I won't know till I try it, but with that being said, without all the yapping, if you guys want to learn how to trade, the free trading concept, the free trading course, the same thing that I used to make $5,000 last week, the same thing that I used that lost me $500 today. You win some, you lose some, but the main thing is having a plan and system that's going to work more times than less. And as you can see from my life, it works more times than less. I don't win every day, I don't lose every day, but it's just part of the game. If you want to join VIP to get access to my live trading like we're going to do in an hour, if you want to join VIP to get access to over 50 hours of content, money, mindset, trading game, then join VIP. With that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.